Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. This is the Memory mode in the Fun Deck interface. In the top left corner of the screen, you will see the Modes button. Select Memory. Now you can pick the number of cards you would like to appear in the grid. This number ranges from 4 to 24. You also have the option to expand cards after each answer. Select On if you would like time to discuss the content of the cards and resume the game manually. Next, select your preferred card back option: blank, numbers, or animals. Click the Numbers box for readers, or Animals for pre-readers. Both number and animal card backs help students describe which cards they would like flipped over. This is ideal for students who do not have remote control of the screen. Select Next. The Random Cards button will pick cards to be displayed for you, like a shuffled deck. The Pick Cards button prompts you to select cards that will be presented during the game. Just a reminder, the object of memory is to have the most matches if playing against an opponent, or if playing against yourself, match the whole board in the least amount of turns. At any point, click the New Game button in the bottom right corner of the screen to return to the memory menu and start a new game. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.